We'll work something out. Ah, damn, I think there's our train now. I think we missed our train. Hopefully the weather stays like this today. If it starts pelting down, well then we've got dramas. I don't think fireworks are going to be on. I'm pretty sure they won't be on, and I hope they're actually not on. I actually hope they're not on because of the bushfires. Really, I actually hope they're not this time. Where's our train gone? Gone. Let's finish our smoke here. So we're not on a platform, can't smoke. On train platforms, get fined. There's some 4G towers up there. So yeah, next week we're going to go on about a 2.5 hour train ride each way, minimum 2.5 hours next week. Should be cool. Got a couple of things planned there. Head down the beach and all that sort of stuff, and a couple other cool things. So I'll give everybody a couple of days notice before we do it, so we can get some good viewership up for that day as well too. I'm just working on some things in the background the last few days as well too. And I'm hoping sometime during the end of week after next will come into effect. I'm hoping. Just gotta give something a bit of time. Yeah, gonna go up there. Shouldn't have said nothing the other on the stream, but I said it anyway. I wanted to keep it a surprise and just rock up. But yeah, we're gonna go Newcastle. Gonna go north, stay out of south. I wanted to go south, but the fires and all that from before, so I thought Newcastle would be a safe bet to go to. So I wanted to do that Thursday actually. I've been waking up super early too, Chad, like super early, super early, Chad. I've been waking up last few days, and yeah, stuck unfortunately. Yeah, that's what I meant, yeah. Nothing yet. Thinking 24th. I'm actually got to prepay for it. So buying little minutes. So yeah, I'm a bit broke this week, man. I need to prepay for that. Pre-order. Yeah, pre-order. I think Friday, Piarco, maybe. Apparently it's supposed to turn on Friday. Next Friday. So I have to prepay for that. So we need to pump the streams this week, man. This needs money, man. Just recharged 2 SIM cards, 2 brand new SIM cards we got, chat. $80, and then I've left myself $200 thanks to King of Monsters for helping out the other day for shoes. She shouldn't have had to, man. Appreciate her so much. Alright, we've got about 10 minutes. So yeah, I've paid that, and then I got my internet, new internet to pay up as well too. So just spewing. Too much money's going out, nothing's going in, and the money that's going out shouldn't be going out. It should be staying in for our ticket to Thailand. So I'm spewing, man. We just spent gonna spend like half our ticket to Thailand. Yeah. Practically half our ticket to Thailand's gone. Sit up here.
Customers on platform 4. The next train does not stop at this platform.
No, we'll keep going, chat. We'll go with the flow, like they say. Go with the flow. So yeah, apparently it's supposed to come on the 24th, but if they turns on or not, it's another thing. All right, while we're here, let me check on this. Oh, it's here already. It's in 10 minutes. Hopefully our signal's alright on the train. We're testing. Oh yeah, it did say 10 minutes. It's express. It's express. There's black crows everywhere in my area here, man. Alright, let's check. What time's our ferries leaving today? Ferries. Cruise liners leaving today. Do you want to go? I was going to go to the Nike store in between, but if we do that, we won't see the cruise liners, so shoes can wait another day. See what we got coming in, chat. Cruise schedules. The next home. I was going to do a home stream yesterday, actually. Even I want to show you the one of the making of one of the cruise liners that we see. A couple of cool vids on there about it. 18th. Okay. It's 4 o'clock. Jesus. 5 o'clock. 16 o'clock. So we've got one leaving at 4 and we've got one leaving at 5. Ooh, 306 chat. 306. If we catch it, train straight to Circular Quay. We will get it. Tomorrow's one is leaving at 4 o'clock as well too. There's only one tomorrow. Today we've got two. We've got the Nordam. We've got the Nordam today and the Radiance of the Seas we've got today. So the Nordam's leaving at 5 o'clock from the White City, and the Radiance of the Seas, she's leaving at 4 o'clock at Circular Quay. And then tomorrow's one is the Pacific Explorer, 6:45, leaving at 4 o'clock tomorrow from Overseas Passenger Terminal. So we may be lucky to catch this one at 4 o'clock, chat. We may be lucky. I think we've got a very good chance of catching it, chat. Let's get a little heist going while we're waiting.
This is the monitor, the controller.
Yeah. Yeah, 16 o'clock. So 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock, yeah. We'll leave the shoe hunt for tomorrow. Monday I got a headache looking for them. Honestly, literally got a headache looking for shoes, chat. Literally, like, got a headache. Check out a couple of things quickly. Yeah, I hate it. Like if I didn't need high tops, I would have found like there's about 6-7 pairs of shoes that could have found. But yeah, there's not much choice, man. Really not much choice when it comes to like basketball shoes, high tops. There's no like in between. There's only these ones that I can't find my size, or these other ones for $270, LeBron ones, and I ain't paying $270, man, for shoes. No way in the world. So the ones I was looking for, they're about 100 or 150 bucks. So I'm just going to go into the other outlet store, but we don't have enough time to do it today. Yeah, we've got some points. So yeah, shoes are always a nightmare for me, especially now with the sore foot. I've got to have something like high tops for my ankle, so I can walk. So yeah, without it I can't walk. Chat. So it's lucky that I had these pair of pumps to use, because I got one brand new in the box that I'm not gonna touch. You know what I mean? So just lucky that having to buy shoes for the last year. I had these pair that I bought from Thailand to use, but now it's time to buy some new ones. It's not much style too these days, so I don't like spending too much money on shoes. Like, and I know they're not even made for like 20 bucks in the Nike factory. So I liked them. They had like an air bubble, and they felt really cushioned and softening when I walked on it in the store. But it's beyond another half a size. It's either that or get them ones for 11 and be a half a size too small. The ones that we seen at that shop. Them red and black ones at size 11, but I need extra half a size. If worst comes to worst, if I don't find nothing by end of this week, I'm just going to end up just going and ordering them other pairs, and then wait 4 or 5 days for it to come in from Victoria or wherever. Foot Locker's warehouse is. Yeah, story of my life, shoes, man. It's one thing in life that I've hated always. Like, I like it, but I hate it. Like, I like it because it's good to always get comfortable shoes, but just a mission to find it. It's just a mission. But yeah, once I eventually do find them, it's just like, oh wow, what? All this headache and pain and stress and shit has come to an end, you know. So I do have a final option if worst comes to worst. I'm looking like some leather uppers as well too, instead of the material type. So like when days like this, when it's raining, as long as I've got a can of Scotch Guard on them at home as well too, give them a Scotch Guard, give them 24 hours to dry, and then like, doesn't matter. But the material one, yeah, it's like feet start stinking even quicker, and then if it gets wet, it's just your feet, shoes stink all day. These are strange. All stations. No chairs.